Hey guys, what's going on? I'm going to come at you with another video. What did I just say? Today I have some more pops. I don't know, I'm so close to the camera. Back myself up. There we go. Got pop minis, all around. Snoopy, Lucy, and Linus. I was like, I got this and I was like, can't even express happiness. But it is pop minis. There's the side. You can see them all. Alright. These guys, I just love Charlie Brown so much. I watch it. I have the CDs like literally right next to me. Pretty sure. But I always watched it at like school and stuff, and I was always a fan of it. Alright. I don't know what I'm going on about this, but it's another special one. You can tell because there's tape. Whenever there's tape, it's always special. So, up next, I'm not gonna tell you, but it's behind me. I know I keep on like skipping around, but hey, it doesn't matter. Alright, we got them out. Sorry, I haven't been posting in like a week and a half. Something crazy like that. It's because it gets really cold up here, and it gets super dark because it's almost winter. So I probably won't be able to do a lot of filming up here. But I'll try. I have a sweatshirt on, so I'm warm today, but it will get worse. Alright. So cool. Alright, I'm going to show you an order of my favorite. So, starting off with Snoopy. Whoa. Here we have him. He's got his red collar. He's got some spots. He's got one spot. His ears, the classic eyes, and his face. The mold of his face is really cool. I like how they did that. And his feet, they speed of extra detail. So then I'm gonna go with Linus. I like him because he always carries around his rag, and it's the rich pumpkin Charlie Brown. His hair is like it sticks up. That's pretty cool. There's his rag. I think he named his rag. I don't really know. And his shirt has the lines on it. Charlie Brown. Charlie Brown is the next one. He's got his little like W hair thing. His nose. They all have the same nose though, so I don't know why I'm saying that. He's got the back, the little V. He's a bunch of letters on him. He's got the classic t-shirt that really gives him away. That's like the main reason. His little outfit with the stripe. And Lucy always like, I don't know. I liked her, but like she was a bully to Charlie Brown. So I got mad at her. But her hair is like cool. As you can see, she got her little bow on her dress and the little shoes. Those are cool. Alright, so that's about it. So again, sorry I haven't been posting in a while. I'll hopefully be able to post. I think I'm gonna try to post weekly, or twice a week. I might post another one of these guys somewhere up there coming up soon, and I might do like, I don't know. I really have no idea. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.